Hey everybody, Deb Tomaro, Realtor here with a new listing at 1222 South Stull. Stull is right by Templeton. It's between Templeton Elementary and Bryan Park. So it's about a block from the elementary school. It's about a block from Bryan Park. So great area, just a little bit east of Henderson. And this home has had some really nice updates, all new siding. New front door, some new landscaping, just super cute. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Let me take you inside. So it's gonna be a little echoey, sorry about that. This is a 1950s bungalow on a really nice lot. You walk right into the living room. You've got fresh flooring, paint, really nice blinds on the windows. I'm obsessed with these, I don't know why, but when I see they're like the real thick, thicker blinds, wider, more modern looking. And then kind of give you the lay of the land here. So this is the living room. And then you've got bedroom, a laundry room with a door, another bedroom, and then kitchen, eating area, and a bathroom. These bedrooms are really nice size, and I wish I had the measurements, but if I had to guess, this is about 14 by 15. This is a really large room for homes, especially in this area. New carpet, double closet. So it's got kind of the modern conveniences that you want inside, the bigger rooms, bigger closets, but it still has that bungalow charm on the outside and obviously in the location too. This is the second bedroom. Again, a good size room, probably 12 by 12-ish. Another double-sized closet. Across the hall is a laundry room. This is really unique too. We don't see this that much. These homes weren't typically built with laundry rooms, and so they sort of jam the washer and dryer in wherever they can. This has a laundry room with a door that you can actually close. So nice size laundry room for sure. Some good storage there as well. Down the hall a little bit further is the bathroom. This has had some nice updates as well. And this is the third bedroom. And again, another big bedroom, probably 12 by 13 or so. Double closet there as well. So this could be a good investment property. It could be a good rental. It does have a hand permit, but it could also be a nice single family home. This could be an office looking out on the backyard. I'll take you out back. And then the kitchen is quite spacious as well. So around this corner into the kitchen, you've got plenty of room for a table, big table. And then stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, countertop. I'll zoom in here a little bit. It's really pretty. And you probably have room if you wanted to put an island and then still have a table over here in the corner. You could do more storage there. It does have a pantry. I really like this kitchen. I think this is special. You don't see this a lot in this area. Let me turn the light on and see how that changes things. Yeah, there you go. So you can see it, right? Little island right there. And then the backyard has some fencing. Hold this. All right. So you've got a deck back here. Really pretty good privacy. No big trees right up against the house. That's another thing we see a lot in this area. There was a big tree right there, but that's been taken down, but you still have some good privacy. Totally fenced. And then there's this area over here that was at one point, very, very, very long time ago, probably a city alley, and it's been vacated. So that part of the yard is also part of this property now. So 1222 South Stull. Let me know if you have questions.